What you choose, that will give you that only. One inspiration note that everyone here must become not just doctor, not just engineer, they must become the light of the world. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one religion, the religion of love. There is only one language, the language of heart. There is only God. He is omnipresent. That is your heartbeat. It is your master. Heartbeat is your master. Strive always. Don't try. Try is 50% failure, admitting at the first. Strive always. The success mantra. What is that is called? What success mantra? That is success mantra. Positive attitude plus positive actions equals to success. Success. Even myself with a blind dark, I cannot see anything. I ever say that I am the king of my life. I am the lover of my life. I can win like anything. Even today with this, even Lhasa Foundation, with this thing I am telling you, 6 years back, I got an idea what to do. I got a good job, government job, good paid salary, good wife, beautiful child. Everything is there. What that I can do? I can simply relax. Today is a holiday for me, for my school. I can just relax in any theater. I can go roam along with my wife with a car for a shire. जाना है तो जा सकता हूँ. पर why I choose this? What you choose, it will give you that only. What you choose, that will give you that only. If you put the mango sampling in the soil, someday you will get mangoes out of the trees. If you put papaya seeds in the soil, you will not get mango fruits. Even at this very life, I am telling you, have positive approach. My intention is only one. As I breathe in and I breathe out, my breath must be utilized for others in a selfless way. Even selfless way. Even I am not expecting thanks from even this management. If they might ask me, sir, why are you coming and why are you inspiring these many students? Yes, one inspiration note that everyone here must become not just doctor, not just engineer, they must become the light of the world. They must become the light of the world. That is what values. IVE. What is the V? Values. What is the V stands for? Values. What is it? Values. I for another thing is there. Before that I can win. I for somebody wants that you have to prove. You have to prove. You have to prove. I don't believe in any proofs. As a matter of birth, I don't believe in any proofs. If you keep on improving, one day the world will recognize you and we will be proven automatically. So improve, improve every moment in your life, every moment. How we have to improve? With values. I got a very noble idea. What can I give to this world? As a blind person, I cannot do anything. I must not think in this way. I can give anything to this world. One day, an idea came to my mind. What that I can do? Many people are shedding tears. Many people are not having food. Many people are lying in the beds without medicine. Many people are not able to study because of poverty. I'm a very below middle class wala. There is no political background. There is no 1 yard of land on my name. There is no bank balance. You believe it or not, today my bank balance is 7,255 rupees. I don't have anything, but I have one thing. Yes, if you have a courage, if you have a sacrifice, if you have an intention to do selfless things for the case of poor and needy, for the welfare of poor and needy, definitely you can do anything. With that very note, I have started with the very guidance of Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. We have started. I got an idea and started Lhasa Foundation. LAASA. Sir, why are you telling about Lhasa Foundation? Are you a LIC agent? Are you agent of that? See, I am not as an agent telling how we have to implement values. In that point, I have been describing you that how I have developed the values of my life. With that very note of that, love all. And please repeat it. Love all. Love all. Serve all. Love all. And serve all. Love means no physical interaction. Love means not sexuality. Love, don't shout. Love is that. Love is that. A mother having love towards a child. Yourself having love over your puppy. You're a puppy. Over yourself. A beggar came to your doorstep and he is trembling. You came with a blanket and you have given it and hugged him. It's love. Love is universal. Love is not a thing which bonds in mind or conscience or body. Love is a thing which bonds, would take, love bonds, and love comes from soul. That's why it's called love is not a generation, it is a universalization. That's why we must love all and we must serve all. Do you know that? Within 6 years, what I have done is, I have recruited, I have identified volunteers who can donate minimum of 108 rupee every month. From any corner of India. From any corner of India. See how values will be implemented, I will tell you. From any corner of India, anyone can join Lhasa Foundation. Anyone can do any help to any poor and needy at any point of time. One person on 31st December had called Lhasa Foundation helpline number and his name is Ravi Kumar from Kolkata. He asked, sir, I am a volunteer of Lhasa. Sir, here it is in Kolkata. It is a severe winter going on. Many people are trembling on roads without blankets. Can we do anything? Yes, boss. They may be Bengalis. We may be Andhrawala, but we are having the one single color in our blood, that is red. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one religion, the religion of love. There is only one language, the language of heart. There is only God. He is omnipresent in everyone. Let us love them. Come on. We have loved and we have deposited money in the volunteers account. He had drawn the money, purchased some blankets and woolen clothes for them. On Jan 1st, he started his 2020 just by hugging some deserving poor needy on Kolkata roads. Some of our volunteers, I will tell you, values, selfless giving. What is it called? Selfless giving hona chahiye. Nishwardh. Selfishness should not be there. Selfless giving. My dear, listen to me. One day, one person got down from a train in Maharashtra. He was supposed to be a volunteer. He called on a porter, please hold my suitcase. He went out. He gave the bargain money, 150 rupees. The porter demanded another 50, please. Demanded another 50. No, I don't give you. Sir, मेरा बेटी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. My girl's age is 22 years. She has a heart problem. Well, could you please help me another 50 rupees? झूठ बोल रहे तो. ऐसा मत भीख मांगो. Another porter came there. Sir, truly, इनकी बच्ची हॉस्पिटल में है. She is there in hospital. Give me your phone number. I'll come to hospital. Our volunteer said. In the afternoon, he went to the hospital, had seen that girl. Called from there to Lhasa Foundation. Sir, I met a porter in the railway station where I came to the very hospital where his girl is having some problem in heart, needs 20,000 or 15,000 immediately for a test. They are not having it, sir. Immediately we deposited the money. That angiogram test was done to her. Where is Maharashtra? Where is Srikakulam? Where we are loving? For love, there are no barriers. For values, there are no barriers. For values, there is a boundary in cricket, but there are no boundaries in values. My dear darlings and lovers and daughters, cultivate values. Cultivate values. Cultivate values. Lastly, positive. P, O, S, I. Next, what is it? T, I. I for improvement, I can win. V for values. Last, what is it? Huh? Energy. What is it? Full energy. Half quarter nahi hai. Full energy. Where it is, outside or inside? Inside. Infinitive energy. Okay? My dear friends, that infinitive energy is within us. With this very note, I am going to close it. I am going to close it temporarily, taking a permanent space in your own heart. Take these dads, these eternal fathers, God-given words as a matter of Veda, Bible, or Quran. Change your life right now. Transform right now. Recognize your abilities. Identify your demerits. Rectify yourself. Admit faults. There are no two things. Winning and no, there are no winning, losing. There are only two things. It is winning, and L for not losing. It is learning. Winning, learning. Whenever you fall, get up. 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 You can do. You should hold like this. What do you call in Hindi? Pidikili antam. What is it called? Muthi. I don't know the term. That's like this. Like this. Strong. You should give a punch not to the person who is sitting in front of you. Just with a note of that understanding, with a note of that commitment, with a note of that love. Say, I'll ask you a question. Of the whole talk, you tell me the answers. Hold it. Look at me only. Your heartbeat. That is your heartbeat. It is your master. Heartbeat is your master. Strive always. Don't try. Try is 50% failure, admitting at the first. Strive always. What must be there within our heart? Positive or negative? Strong, positive, strongly. Say strongly. Can we create anything in our life? Say yes or no. With one and only note, what is it? Positive, and positive. What is the first letter of positive? Sure, say. What that P stands for? Present. What that we have to do with the present? We must enjoy and we must be in the own moment. My dear friends, what's the next letter? What O is teaching us? Completeness. Where we have to. Oh, we should know the completeness. Here we have to understand about one thing. How the completeness will come to our life. Before that I told you one thing. Gratitude. Saying gratitude Remembering gratitude, reciprocating gratitude, reply. Mother, father. One thing I want to tell you, don't just see the gadgets and the things that our parents will bring to us. See their heart, which is just pumping for us. My dear darlings, gratitude. And another thing that O is teaching us, owning. What is it? Owning our own. जोर से बताना है. Owning our own. Say the full term. Owning our own life. Very good. What the next letter? Yes. What does S stands for? We have to sacrifice or not? What kind of sacrifice? Our negativities छोड़ना है. Our laziness, बताओ, छोड़ना है. Our negligence, our postponement, sacrifice. What is the next letter? I for inspiration. Where is it? Where is it? Within ourselves. It is there within our own self, within our own soul, within our own heart, within our own conscience, within our own silence. Darlings, recognize that this is not just holding fingers and palm. It's a commitment. Holding that inspiration throughout our life. We are born like a human being. We must die like a God. See, tell me, we are born like a human being, but we must die like a God. Say strongly, we must die like a God. P-O-S-I. What is the next one? T. What is it? Time of life. Most valuable time, most valuable life. Don't just scold it. Chee, what a dirty life, what a negligence life of anyone, of yours, maybe others. Never abuse anyone. Never abuse anyone. Never love your time. In this case, we have discussed about 5 things. No depression, only deep vision. Say aloud. No depression, only deep vision. Next. No tension, only intention. Only intention. Third one. No pressure, only pleasure. No stress, only love. Only 5. No force, only source. Only P. Tell it. P-O-S-I-T. I for I will change. I will win. I will improve. I stands for improvement. P-O-S-I-T-I. Next. What is it? Values. Values of giving. Values of one thing. Tell behind me. Givers can. Takers can. Tell. Takers can. Taker. T-A-K-E-R-S. Takers can enjoy the time. Givers can enjoy the life. Takers can eat well. Givers can sleep well. My darlings, I want to tell you one thing. In these 6 years of Lhasa Foundation tenure, you believe it or not, I am able to inspire 4,000 volunteers across India. 4,000 volunteers across India in 10 states. And another thing I want to tell you another thing. Nearly 1,300 activities, nearly 400 cancer patients, 300 children, and 400 above foodless, shelterless people were fed with 1 crore rupee, with 10 millions. Improve this value. I urge one and all who sat here, can we sacrifice a 5 rupee a day? We can do greatest of the things in this life. Just 108 rupees is a value of unit which you can donate online. Paytm karo, Google Pay or Phone Pay. Just 108 rupee, 1 unit value. How many value? I am giving 9 units. 108 into 9, 972. Somebody is giving 2 units. 2 into 108, 216 rupees. I am not asking for any money. I am asking for your love. I am asking for your love. Show your values. Lastly, E. Strongly. Is there or not? It's there or not? With this energy, with this mighty energy, with this infinite energy, with this powerful energy, with this potential energy, with a note of positivity, POSITIVE, change your life, transform the life, transform the world, and create happiness, create joy in every face, on every lip. The smile must blossom, and every life must be so blissful, and our lives all must be meaningful, and we must live just with soulful. Just don't go through life, just grow through life. Just don't go through life, grow through life. I'm telling you again and again, just don't go through life, just grow through life. Grow through and make your life so meaningful with a saying of love all and serve all. With this very few words, I conclude and take a temporary leave the matter of thing. Thank you.
Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box, and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.